So looking at the inside, there actually wasn't anything of importance. So let's take the Gorilla Tape off here. Try and reuse that. Oh no, I'm gonna have to make a bigger hole. So there isn't actually anything on the inside here, which is good. I'm gonna go grab my flashlight and Sharpie and kind of like the line. This would be a stupid idea. Got the Sharpie now. I don't have a ruler, so this is gonna be kind of hard to like kind of measure. But we're just gonna cut. See, all the way the fuck around. To, like really give some room here. This ain't gonna work out too well.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Figure it out.
I'm about to.
Oh yeah. You are cutting it.
Yeah, I am, dude.
Oh, we still have that? Lit.
I know, that's why I've been cutting shit with it. We might need a new blade though.
He said he's got plenty.
Tight. So I have it marked up. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on camera. I don't have safety goggles, so I'm gonna wear my helmet. I don't want shrapnel in my eye. Do it. Do it. Do it. Alright, so now that I have this huge freaking hole in my car, which was totally worth it, I gotta figure out how to get this unlocked. There's something moving in our bushes. But anyways, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this to unlock, if it will. And then when I figure out how to get it unlocked, I guess I will show you guys how I fix this issue for, I guess, anybody watching this wanting, if they're having the same issue. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna kind of beat on it until I figure it out. Hooray for winging it. All right, so it's actually day 2. I literally could not figure out how to get this door off last night. That is why the hole is now bigger. I have more workspace now. I got the new door inside. I'll show you guys here in a second. But yeah, I can't figure it out. So we're going to plan B, and this is plan B. So you can see here, I have the lock part pretty much torn apart. My plan now is just to cut it off, and then, you know, with it open, the door should swing open, at least in theory. If it doesn't, we're cutting the whole door in half. So hopefully that'd be a cooler content. But yeah, let's try and see if we could just get this off first, see if the door will swing open. If it doesn't and it's just jammed, we'll take the window out and then we'll cut the whole door in half. So here's the new door. I don't know if I showed you guys this either, but ooh, let me bring the exposure. Yeah, you get the idea. But yeah, I got a seat too. That is like the whole reason why I'm trying to swap these doors out, is because I don't want to have to keep jumping through the window when I put the seat in, because it's in good condition. I don't want to ruin it. So door first, seat second. All right, let's go take this door out. Suck it to me. Oh boy. I am stoked. God, finally, fuck. There's the carnage. Yep, that's like every piece of that window lock, which is fine because the new door has a new one. So look, it actually closes. I mean, there's no pins or anything holding it to like keep it locked now, which was what I was trying to get to. But hey, it's good to go. So in case your door ever is like super stuck, super locked, just cut a really big hole. All right, that's step 1. Just do that, and then boom, just start beating at it with a freaking pry bar, a screwdriver, and a rubber mallet. And eventually, after your hard efforts, this door will swing right open for you. Just make sure you do it when you have another door already That way you don't have to drive around like this, and I'm sure like the door will like, you know, be all weird. So for those of you that don't know why I need to get this door open, which I'm actually gonna have to drive it and move it, then you get to those bolts, unplug that. There's a pin in here that I don't know if you just pull it. I'll figure that out. And then there's bolts down there. And then door comes right off, and I can put my new door on. So, yeah. Pretty stoked. Oh, and don't forget the wiring. And then to unplug all the wiring here. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I might need to pull the regulator out of this and put it in the other door. I don't know, but the only thing I looked at the other door, and the only thing I could see about like what I can mess up is, well, the window piece right here, and then the lock right here, you know, which was to open my door anyways. So now anything off of this car I can use as parts, which I probably will do for a bit. So, all right, let me go get this off and get the new door on, and then hopefully we'll be done. All right, I have the new door on there. Don't worry about this, it looks the same, I know. I'm actually gonna be building my own like plastic cover. So instead of it being like really full, like the OEM interior, it's just gonna be really flat. So it's pretty much gonna be like, have this much leg room open still, but I won't be hitting my knee on any of the metal and stuff like that. So it'll be comfortable, and be a little bit better. And it'll be some, you know, less weight in the car. But aside from that, new doors on. It's not 100% perfect, like you can see, like it's not going on. So you gotta like give it a good push, but it does open, and Frankie's over hanging out. So she helped me out a lot working with the car. She oh, sorry, I didn't hit you. She was holding the door for me. So we have it all in there. What I gotta do now is I gotta figure out how to get the window regulator or whatever it's called out of here, because that still works. And then I gotta figure out how to wire it up to this to make my window work. So that will be a later video. But yeah, she's done. She's good. It was a bit of a struggle, but we got it on. So with that, guys, I'll see you guys all later in the next video, which might be my
next time to TunerZen.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Frankie, say bye. Peace.